It's only a 1.4 as well. You shouldn't have got a Porsche, mate. You should have got a Seat.
Yeah. That was going up.
That's what I mean. It's all right. What's yours pushing?
Nearly 300 brake.
Oh, is it? Yeah, is that it? I thought it'd been a lot more.
Mine's only 3.4.
Only, but mine's only a 1.4.
That's what I mean. I don't know what you got.
Are you ready? Unbelievable, isn't it? For fun. Oh my god! That's put me off a Porsche now.
Yeah.
Oh gee, go on. Where are you, Bush? Where are you? Pops in Porsche. Behind.